Okay, welcome. I haven't used this channel in a minute, so I might be a little rusty, but I don't think I was a pro when I was a little kid. I mean, I was making like Minecraft videos, but I actually edited the videos a little bit, which I probably forgot how to do now, but I'm planning to keep these uncut probably for the most part. Maybe something will change in the future. No idea. I'm moving my content to trading and maybe something else in the future. Right now, I'm just gonna say trading for now because I'm in a trading video right now, and it's gonna be the first one on this channel technically. All my other ones are privated. You don't need to watch them. But my goal is for this channel is to now. I'm just gonna talk a little bit before I get into this trade recap, but I want to start making growing followers, a follower base. I want to start helping people because now that I'm becoming starting to become profitable, I want to kind of share what my thought process was for these trades and maybe even help people in the future. Um, and yeah, I mean, who does? And this is also for me, like making journaling videos for me. Like I don't know, maybe if I'm bored, if I want to instead of journaling, just taking the screenshot of this, seeing what I was thinking, I could just straight up say right now what I was thinking and just spare me the time. Two birds, one stone. But today I am up $649. What's this right here? I think account $649 today. Three trading opportunities today. Actually, I only took one of them, the more risky one, because I was in a college class and they did not let me trade. I would have passed my account today, but I mean, because of that, I kind of got mad because I could have passed my account today, and because of that, I couldn't really trade anymore. But regardless, still up, and I'm planning to pass this one anyways. So whatever, profit is profit. And the reason why I say eval is because well, I didn't say eval, but the reason why it's an eval and not a past account because you're gonna be like, hey, I thought you were profitable. I switched all my accounts from Top Step to Trade. I'm not gonna say which one. Doesn't really matter. But I switched all my accounts to a different prop firm that I had found with better rules, better everything basically. And I wanted to use Trading View, so I'm using Tradevate right now to get my trades in. Um, yeah, that's basically all I got. So let's just get right into the market analysis. So basically, market open was on this big candle right here. So coming into the day, I noticed that we swept. Actually, let me just get this out right away. Yeah, we swept right here. London took out Asian high, so we got the manipulation, and then we got this just like fat extension down. And now I was looking for a continuation because using that alone, London manipulation check, London reversal check. Now we look for a New York continuation. But at the same time, we have this high resistance liquidity right here. That's also Asian lows, and that took it out pre-market. So now I'm thinking, okay, now I'm flipping my bias to be bullish. And usually I rarely do that, but I mean when I do it, it's kind of for a good reason. So now as I'm like right here, I wanted New York Open to take out these two candles to get a little sweep in New York Open to reverse high, but we took these out New York pre-market right away. So I'm like, okay, people got stopped out here. I was still like looking for longs even though that happened, and I still predicted that people are still gonna get swept around down this area because their stop losses. I mean, after this sweep, people probably obviously bought up here. So New York market open since there's so much volatility, new money coming in. They easily just swept everybody out here and made this fat like up. This, I mean, if you're going to 3 minute, there was so much volatility here that I couldn't like resist. I couldn't like resist trading this. I mean, New York open, um, like 5% at a time I would trade. I do not like trading New York pre-market or not pre-market. I do not like trading New York open right away. Very risky to trade because so much there's new money coming into the market and it could just mess you up, blow your accounts, whatever. I mean, it could have just spiked down here, spiked back up here, and went right back down like instantly. Um, but the reason why I traded today again, 5-10% times I will trade is because well, after this like huge just man, apologize, but after this, sorry, after this huge move down and taking out this high resistance liquidity, usually like often more times than not, a reversal will happen. So after New York market open sweeps people out here, what I initially wanted it to happen, makes this 3 minute inversion. I'm like, you know what? Like, I kind of like hadn't like with this volatility. I'm like, okay, I kind of knew it was gonna go up, and if it stopped me out, my stop was not gonna be that big anyways. And at the same time, I was looking at ES2 for any SMTs, but they were just basically neck and neck. So I took this long right here. My stops was like right under this inversion fair value gap right here. Or actually fair value gap, you should say. This also created a fair value gap. And I targeted, where did I target? I targeted like right, like these sides right here. Oops. Can it like, there you go. Targeted these highs. Boom. It hit. I wanted to hold it. I was thinking to hold it longer. But the thing is, because like only two of these candles made a hit. So I was thinking to like hold it until this liquidity point. But again, I hate trading New York like open. Rare occasions I'll trade it, and this made me, which I made for the day, $649, which ain't bad. But I could have passed my account today, but since my college was in the way and they made me close my laptop to trade, I could not pass it. So I'm kind of still annoyed from that. But regardless, looking back at the trades I wanted to take, they would have all played out. And so we got this higher time frame SMT right here from Nasdaq from this high to this high, and ES from this high to this lower high. So ES was the obvious leading index, so I wanted to trade on ES. So after they kept making pushing up, they made this down candle. So I'm like, okay, this is a new high. So now potentially I could look for the reversal, which again I was right. But let's continue. I can't use a 2 minute. Usually I'll look at the 2 minute on Tradevate. I don't remember if there's a 2 minute or not. I don't think there was, but I look for the highest inversion. But in this case, regardless, I didn't take this trade. Regardless, it would have worked out well. I mean, not every trade is gonna be perfect. We got this inversion right here, and I would have placed, and again, a lot of volatility at the same time. So I'm like, okay, this could be a good trade. Boom, place longs right when this candle closed out of this inversion. Stops above these highs. Usually, again, I would have my stop loss a little lower, but I would have been. I already know for a fact I would have been confident. So I would put my stops here, and from that $649 that I made, that would have been basically covered. So basically, you could say it was a risk-free trade, but yeah, eventually it hit my take profit points. I mean, it could have been like this low or this low, but these already got taken out, so that's why I didn't really. Actually, no, this one didn't get taken out. Or did it? Up, down. Yeah, I already got taken out. So I would have went for here. I like these like high resistance liquidity points as take profits a lot better than just sessions, unless. And it's even better if it's a session plus a high resistance liquidity. Then that's a golden spot to take profit. So this trade would have made me a lot of money, way more than this one, right? This risky one right here, or somewhat of a risk, I should say. So this one would have made me a good chunk of money, and at the same time, like we kept going lower and lower and lower. Nasdaq just barely swept this, so I'm like, okay, this could be, another trading opportunity that I could have taken because of college. And usually I would have probably backed out here, but depending on how good it is, I mean, hey, look, we got the sweep, right? And we got a inversion right here with this fair value gap, we should say. It gets inversed with crazy, crazy volatility. Like this huge line. I mean, I'm talking like, okay, this has been a simple sweep, reversal, sweep, reversal, sweep, another reversal. Technically, I would still be in this trade. I'll get into that in a second. But like seriously, like with so much volatility, it's like kind of hard to say no to a trade like this. And there's like no more fair value gaps up here too. So I'm like, okay, boom. Oh, actually, hold on. Let me go to the magnifying glass. Make it perfect trade. So boom, long right here. Stops I would have done right under, probably like right here. And then my take profit is this liquidity point, or could probably even be higher, but that's what I would have done. This trade is even still going. Look, this high recent. Usually, when I look for a take profit, like partial take profits, I'll do this, find the halfway point for my take profit here, and this is above this line. It would have worked actually, but if it was above like this this liquidity right here from consolidation, so a little lower, I put it at the highest mark. Boom, take profit. One gets hit, and then after take profit, one gets it. What I would have done, TP right here. So now this is a risk-free trade. So I have technically 3 winning trades in that. I mean, I would have passed my account and like been looking good. And then my final take profit would be up here, which it's still continuing. I'm not gonna wait here until it hits or not, but regardless if it hits or not, I still am up for the day on this trade alone, even. And yeah, then usually I don't even. The reason why like I'm like this is a perfect trading sorry, this is a good trade that I would have done, but since usually I wouldn't trade this late, but I mean, hey, this is like an A plus setup. I mean, who wouldn't take an A plus setup, especially if you're up already and you have profits to spare if you're willing to do that. Usually you don't want to do that, but with this kind of trade, I would. I mean, that's basically all for the market analysis. I mean, today was a very, very like beautiful day to trade. Hopefully tomorrow is gonna be like that, like that as well. Yeah, so up $649 on the day. Hopefully tomorrow's like this as well, just like I said. And I'm planning in the future to get a webcam soon. Just don't have a good run right now and don't have a good spot to place it. But yeah, that's basically all I got today. So yeah, see ya.